Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that's seriously changing the game in video production, an AI tool called Pika. Imagine being able to generate entire videos that look so real. You can hardly tell they're computer generated. Sounds crazy, right? So how does it work? What are its features? And what are the potential challenges? Stick around till the end to find out everything about this revolutionary tool. So, what is Pika? Pika is a cutting-edge AI tool designed to create incredibly realistic videos. We're not just talking about basic animations here. Pika can generate videos with stunningly lifelike details, like human movements, facial expressions, and even lighting conditions, all completely automated. Now, how does Pika work? The magic behind it comes from two things. First, Pika uses something called generative adversarial networks, or GANs. It's a type of deep learning model where one network creates the video, and another network checks how realistic it looks, pushing them to improve until the video looks nearly perfect. The second key factor is that Pika learns from a massive database of real videos. Each time it's used, the AI becomes smarter and more capable of producing even better results. One of the coolest things about Pika is that you don't need any experience in filmmaking or design to generate a video. You just need a simple text description or even an image, and Pika does the rest. Imagine you're in the film industry, and instead of spending hours setting up shots, you can have Pika generate entire scenes instantly. Now, here's where things get exciting for content creators. You can use Pika to create engaging, highly realistic videos, or even short stories that can grab attention on YouTube. The quality of these videos is so good that they stand out from the crowd. And the best part? You can monetize this content through YouTube's ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. The more creative you get with your videos, whether it's telling stories, creating tutorials, or even fictional short films, the more views you can attract. And as we know, views lead to subscribers, and subscribers lead to consistent income. Pika is essentially giving you the tools to produce high-quality content without needing an expensive production team, making it easier to generate engaging videos that can boost your channel. With all these amazing capabilities, it's also important to think about the ethical side of things. A tool this powerful could be dangerous if misused, like creating fake or misleading videos, deepfakes, that are nearly impossible to distinguish from reality. There needs to be awareness and proper regulation to ensure this technology is used responsibly, and that's something we should all be mindful of. Here's how you can start making money: ad revenue. Once you reach YouTube's monetization requirements, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can earn money from ads placed on your videos. With Pika's ability to generate high-quality, engaging videos, you can consistently create new content to keep your audience coming back and increase your watch time. Affiliate marketing. You can use the videos you create with Pika to review products or services and include affiliate links in your descriptions. Every time someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. This is a great way to turn your content into passive income. Sponsored content. As your channel grows, brands may approach you to create sponsored videos. With Pika, you can produce professional-looking content for these sponsorships, increasing your value to advertisers. Selling your own products or services. You can use Pika to create videos that promote your own brand, merchandise, or digital products. Whether you're selling courses, ebooks, or physical products, Pika helps you produce compelling promotional content that drives sales. One of the best parts about Pika is that you don't need to spend hours or have a huge budget to produce high-quality videos. You can upload more frequently, keeping your channel active and growing, which is key to building a successful YouTube business. If you've got any questions about Pika or want to know more about how to start earning money from YouTube using AI-generated videos, drop a comment below and I'll get back to you. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our future content on AI and technology. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.